U.S. stocks have opened higher on this Tuesday morning. The Dow and S&P 500 are up by about a quarter of a percentage point. The Nasdaq Composite Index up by 0.3%. Now, the two-day Federal Reserve meeting has gotten underway, and the Fed will be announcing its rate decision on Wednesday afternoon. In the meantime, we have a handful of earnings as well as economic data releases to digest. Now, the Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index for the month of July was just released, and it did come in slightly below expectations at 80.3 versus the 81.4 in the prior month. At the same time, we got the S&P Case-Shiller Home Price Index for the month of May, and on a year-over-year basis, the 20-city composite index gained by 12.1%. Regional data showed that Dallas as well as Denver posted record highs. Now, moving on to earnings, the healthcare sector and insurance sector are in the spotlight. Aetna shares gained by about half a percentage point as the health insurer posted a profit that topped estimates. The company also raised its full-year forecast. And taking a look at Dow components, Pfizer as well as Merck, Pfizer shares are up by 1% at the New York Open. Now, second quarter earnings topped forecast, but it did post a revenue miss. It did reaffirm its full-year forecast. Now, moving on to Merck, shares are down by about a quarter of a percentage point. The Dow component beat forecast, but its revenue declined. Last but not least, Coach shares are tumbling by as much as 10% at the New York Open. Now, the luxury maker of handbags reported that its North American revenue was hurt by discounts as well as weaker sales, and profit fell by 12%. In addition, Coach executives, including its COO and the head of North American business, will be departing. Over in the foreign exchange market, we're seeing mixed trading action with the dollar weaker against the euro and the Japanese yen.